Hi, I'm Nikki DeRoest, bareMinerals Global Makeup Artist, and I'm here with the beautiful Dana today, and we are going to show you this bronze summer makeup look. So Dana has beautiful skin. I'm so excited to do her makeup today. So I'm going to prep her skin first with the mineral cleansing water. And this is really going to remove any impurities. It's very soothing. It has rose and cucumber, and it just makes the skin nice and fresh for all the rest of the makeup. All right, next up, we're going to use the Complexion Rescue Defense. So this is a priming moisturizer, and it's just a great primer for the skin. Now that her skin is nice and prepped, we're going to start on the foundation. So this is the Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick. I'm starting with just kind of going right down her T-zone and a little bit onto her cheeks. And then I am going to take the Soothing Face brush and just kind of buff this all into the skin. I'm really excited to show you the Endless Summer bronzer. So this is a mineral-based pressed powdered bronzer, and I'm using the shade Warmth. This gives you an instant summer bronzed glow. This blurs the look of pores, and this actually builds your color over time. So I'm using the Supreme Finisher brush. I like to use that with this powder because it's nice and fluffy, so I can really diffuse the bronzer onto the skin. So I always like to start with a little bit of product and just start to build it until I reach my achieved tan. So I'm just kind of wiping this along her hairline and her temples, and then building it up around her cheeks and her cheekbones to give her a slight bit of a contour, but also just a really fresh, bronzy look. All right, next up is one of our favorite parts, the highlighter. I'm using the Endless Glow highlighter, and I actually want to show you a quick tip. So I actually swatched Dana's arm. A lot of these would work, but today I was feeling like this was going to be the shade for us. So this is the shade Joy, and I'm going to apply it with this diffused highlighter brush. So this is a mineral-based powder highlighter. This blurs the look of pores and just gives the most beautiful luminosity to the skin. As you can see, this doesn't have a white cast at all. It also doesn't have any sort of glitter finish to it. So we can definitely also add a little bit of a highlight down the center of Dana's nose. I always love to do a little bit on the Cupid's bow, and then just whatever is remaining, a little touch onto the chin. I love how fresh and glowy Dana looks, so I want to give her just a really simple eye today. I'm going to use the Gen Nude Neutral Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm kind of playing around with these two colors, Believer and Tribe. So I'm just using my really nice soft blender brush and starting just in the center of the eye and diffusing almost up to the eyebrows. This is a creamy talc-free formula, and it blends and layers really, really easily. All right, moving on to mascara. This is one of my favorite formulas. It's the LASHTOPIA. So this makes your lashes up to 10 times fuller. This is a mineral-rich formula that keeps the eyelashes soft, but you don't compromise the payoff and the finish. So I just filled in her brow using the Brow Master Sculpting Crayon, and this is the shade Coffee. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to use the Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer. This is the shade Hype. So this is ultra creamy and moisturizing, and just to finish it off, I like to take my finger and just kind of tap and press it into the lips so it just looks a little bit lived in, but she still gets the color and the gloss. All right, to finish the look, I'm going to use the Dew Mist Setting Spray. So this sets the makeup and hydrates the skin and just gives the most beautiful finish.